Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can deactivate and reactivate Instagram account. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to make sure your application is updated. Open up your app store and then in the search bar, search for Instagram. Once you search for it, you have to go ahead and simply tap onto it. If it says update instead of open, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Once done, open it up and then log in to your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon, then tap on the three line icon. Now, go ahead and tap on Account Center, scroll below, then tap on Personal Details. Now, you need to go ahead and tap on Account Ownership and Control, then tap on Deactivation and Deletion. Go ahead and select your account, and then select Deactivate Account. Once done, tap on Continue, and then you'll be asked to enter your password. After that, your account will now be hidden. Your profile, post, and like won't be visible until you log back in. So, after you deactivate your account, if you wish to reactivate your account again, just log back in with your username and password using the Instagram app or website, and just like that, your profile and everything will be stored exactly as before. Also note that you can only deactivate once per week, and this is not the same as permanently deleting your account. That's it. That's how you can deactivate your Instagram account and reactivate it anytime you want. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.